much. You've indulged me beautifully. And you might have noticed only a boy from Newport would make choir 2 syllables. Right, on to something else now. And to honour our lovely friend in New York, I hope you're still watching, James, we are going to sing a song that was arranged by him for a wedding of 2 of our choir members here in the chapel a little while back. We're going to be singing Only You. You may know it by the Flying Pickets. Now, interestingly, when I was doing my research on this one as well, apparently it was Margaret Thatcher's favourite song. Oh, the irony that all of the members named the band that because they were all on the picket lines during the miners' strikes. Well, Maggie and her crew read the Amarachid, eh? So please enjoy this, It's Only You, arranged by James Bridger.